When a car starts making strange noises or feels unsteady while driving, it could be a sign of a wheel bearing problem. Changing the wheel bearing can restore the vehicle's smooth operation and safety. Once the old bearing is removed, the mechanic meticulously installs the new one, taking care to ensure a perfect fit. With the new wheel bearing in place, the car is now ready for a safe and smooth ride. After securing the wheel and double-checking the alignment, the mechanic feels confident in the repair. The car owner, relieved and grateful, knows their vehicle is